I'm going to tell you this right now. If you get anything from this course, I want you to get this. What I'm getting ready to show you is the key to your financial success online. This is the secret you must know, okay? And like I said, this has been an overview course, but what I'm getting ready to show you is really the key to everything that I really want you to know when it comes to selling or making money online, being successful, being financially successful online. You can do this. All right, you can do this, but I want to show you the secret. This is how, pretty much in a nutshell, this is what the whole game is about. All right, now I'm going to show you this and you're going to see what I mean. All right, so we're going to do this live. All right, I want to go to the official. Oh, actually, I should type in official White House store. And we're, see right here, you can see official White House store. We're going to go to the White House gift shop. This is our government here. All right. I'm going to show you here. Let's go all the way down. This is the key. This is how you become successful online. This is our government. Okay. We're going to go down to About Us. I just want you to see. Well, let me go back. Okay. The White House gift shop. You see at the bottom here. Okay. About Us. History of the White House gift shop. I'm not going to read everything. I just want you to see the origin of the White House gift shop began as a White House flower fund, blah, 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 police fund benefit, 1946 by President Harry S. Truman. Okay, so you see pretty much there's a seal, USA.gov. All right, let's look at some products. Matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to type in our current president, Trump. All right, now look at this. What do we have here? Bobblehead, President Donald Trump. President Donald J. Trump Notter's bobblehead. Let's look at this. Right here, this is our government, all right? Presidential Donald J. Trump Notter's Bobble Dolls Wobblers. As you can see here, our official White House government page is selling a President Donald Trump bobblehead for what? $29. $29. Wow. And I'm sure they're racking up. We got a lot of Trump supporters out there. And I don't want to get into politics, but $29. Wow. All right. Now let me show you a website called Alibaba. This is the higher echelons where you're going to be making most of your money in private label. Remember when I told you private label is where you go? All right. Now watch this, y'all. Donald Trump figurine. Our government. Ooh, what have we here? All of these Donald Trump figurines here. What? And what? Lo and behold, what is this one right here? Hot sale bobblehead. Donald Trump, our own government. What is the price on this? Look right here. 1 cent to $5 a piece. Donald Trump bobblehead. So are we bringing jobs back to America? I'm not so sure. Maybe we are, but I know one thing. The official White House website is buying stuff from Alibaba, one of the biggest companies in the world, which had the biggest IPO, initial public offering on the stock market. Alibaba is gigantic. World Trade. This is where you're going to go to buy all of your low-cost items for resale, whether it's on eBay, Amazon. If you want to sell things, look at this. 1 cent to $5 a piece for the. Now let's go back to the official White House website. Is that not the same bobblehead? Now let's go back. Look, they even crossed it out. Look at that. That's the same. Am my eyes deceiving me, or is that not the same one? So bobblehead by President Trump that the White House is selling, that they're actually purchasing from China, and look what they're selling it for, $29. 29. So essentially, I want you to see that even our own government is working it, is gangsta. All right. So what you're doing, and they're probably racking up. Now look at this. They have all kinds of, ooh, let me type this in. Let's go down a little bit more. This is live. So let me see. Let me type in "Make America Great Again." We making China great too, y'all. Nothing wrong with it. But that's, that's official White House. Make America great again. Look at all these "Make America Great Again" and Trump. I guess Trump memorabilia here, but look at this. Now let me go back to Alibaba. This is the key to your success. This is how you're going to be successful. But this is the reason why I want you to start off, in that ladder with retail arbitrage, because I want you to make your money first. Get your money coming in first. Now watch this. This is China. China's official, and they have thousands upon thousands of factories. As you know, for many years, everything that we buy in America is darn near made in China. All right, now watch this. This is your secret. Let me type this in. Oops. Make America Great Again. China. Look at it. Oh, here we go with the caps. Look, what? Now look at $1. What? Ooh. Look at all these "Make America Great Again" hats. Some of them are going for $1. Some of them are going for 48 cents each. Almost broke my teeth. My toothlesses. Telling you this on the microphone here. Okay, so you see, look, now let's go back to the White House. What are they selling this for? $24.95. And how much are they paying for it? I don't know. Lord knows how much they're paying for this. $1, maybe. It just depends on the factory that you go to find the cheapest price. This is saying right here, 48 cents to $4. Anyway, you get my point. There's profit to be made. There are hundreds of thousands of sellers online that are literally making money by doing the same thing. Okay, so the key, if you learn anything from this course, the key is to buy low and you sell it high. You find the place, one of the top places that you can buy all kind of products is Alibaba. So this is your secret. This is the place that where you go to source whatever you want. There are literally millions and millions of products, literally, on Alibaba. So if there's something that you're interested in, look at this. This is where you go. Some things, look at this right here. iPhone 7 case, 31 cents. All right. And then what you do is you take that and you go back on eBay, you put it on Amazon, you put it on Etsy. As many places you can put this item on your website, have your own. If you like watches, then find watches on Alibaba that you can afford. Start off small. You ain't got to buy 50 million of them. Okay. And then you put it right back on your website. And we'll talk about marketing and all this other stuff later on. But that's the concept. And then the more products you have, then you'll start to get those sales coming in. This is the main place that you're going to be going. For private label, for online retail, whatever you want to do, this is the place that you want to go. But do you see how our own government is doing it? We're supposed to be bringing jobs back to America and all this type of stuff. And they're literally going to China for stuff that they're selling right there on the official White House website there. So that's how the game works, guys. I hope you learned something. But if you get anything out of this whole course, get that. Buy low, sell high. Buy low products. Now, low doesn't always mean cheap, but that's the concept of this whole course of making money online, buying low and selling high.